Are you a truth seeker? Then get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Most people take the way we measure the world for granted, but there's a scale so small it can't be seen with the naked eye. It's a scale that could change everything we know about the universe. When you look up at the stars, you're really looking back in time. Light takes time to travel, and the farther away an object is, the more time it takes for its light to reach us. This means that when we see a star, we're seeing it as it was in the past. But what if there is something even smaller than an atom that is vibrating at a frequency so high we can't hear it? What if this vibration is the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe? Join me on a journey to discover the truth behind this cosmic mystery. Together, we'll explore the quantum realm and uncover the hidden patterns that connect us to the very fabric of space-time. It's time to wake up and start questioning everything you know. The answers are out there, and I believe that you have the power to find them. Are you ready to take the first step towards enlightenment? You're measuring your room to buy a new rug, but every ruler gives you a different answer. One says 10 feet, another says 12. Frustrating, right? That's how chaotic measurements used to be, tied to something as inconsistent as a human foot or the length of an arm. But here's the thing, these measurements are all about us. They don't tell you anything about the universe's true nature. Have you ever felt small when you look up at the night sky? Like your life is just a fleeting speck in an endless void. You're not alone. Our human-centric measurements reinforce that feeling, making the universe seem impossibly vast and ourselves insignificant. But what if the way we measure is like trying to understand a symphony by hearing just one note? It's limiting, and it's keeping you from seeing the bigger picture. Imagine meeting an alien civilization. Would they care about your foot or meter? Probably not. They might not even have bodies like ours. So, how do we find a universal language, one that speaks to the cosmos itself? Most people miss this, but our everyday measurements are holding us back from grasping the true scale of reality. What if there's a hidden code woven into the fabric of the universe that could change how you see everything? Let's unlock that cosmic code. Scientists have discovered 3 fundamental constants that define the universe, no matter who's measuring them. These aren't just numbers, they're the keys to understanding scales so vast and so tiny they'll leave you speechless. First, there's the speed of light, clocking in at 299,792,458 meters per second NIST. That's fast enough to zip around Earth 7.5 times in a single second. But here's the wild part, it's the same for everyone, everywhere, whether you're on Earth or zooming through space. It's like the universe's ultimate speed limit, set in stone since the Big Bang 13.8 billion years ago. Next up is the gravitational constant, or G, a tiny number at 6.67 for 30 times 10 cubic meters kilograms ys squared NIST. This is what keeps your feet on the ground, pulls planets into orbits, and holds galaxies together. Without it, the universe would be a chaotic soup of floating particles. Think of it as the invisible glue that shapes the cosmos. Then we have Planck's constant, h, at 6.6 to 607,015 times 10 joule-seconds NIST. This is the cornerstone of quantum mechanics, the strange world of atoms and particles. It tells us that energy comes in tiny packets, like cosmic candy drops, determining how light and matter interact. It's why your phone's screen glows and why atoms don't just fall apart. Now, here's where it gets mind-bending. Combine these 3 constants, and you get the Planck length about 1.616 to 55 times 10 meters Planck length. How small is that? Imagine a proton, already a million times smaller than a grain of sand. If you blew that proton up to the size of our solar system, the Planck length would be the size of a single virus. It's so tiny, it's almost unimaginable. But there's a twist. At the Planck length, physics as we know it stops working. To see something that small, you'd need so much energy that you'd create a black hole, hiding whatever you're trying to observe. Black holes. It's like the universe has a do not enter sign at its smallest scale. Now, let's zoom out to the other extreme. The observable universe spans about 93 billion light-years. Observable universe. That's the distance light has traveled since the Big Bang, but because the universe is expanding, the farthest galaxies are even farther away now. Imagine light leaving a galaxy when dinosaurs roamed Earth. That's the kind of time and distance we're talking about. And here's the kicker, that's just what we can see. Beyond the observable universe, it might stretch on forever, or there could be a multiverse with entirely different laws of physics. Multiverse. From the Planck Length to the cosmic horizon, we're dealing with scales that differ by 60 orders of magnitude, a range so vast, it's like comparing a single atom to the entire Milky Way, then doing it again a dozen times. So, where do you fit in this mind-boggling spectrum? Get ready for a perspective shift that might change everything. Let's bring this back to you. These scales from the Planck Length to the edge of the cosmoscan make you feel like a tiny, insignificant dot. You're made of atoms, living on a planet that's just a speck in a galaxy among trillions. It's easy to think, what's the point of my existence? But here's where the story flips. Philosophers like David Deutsch suggest that your life has the potential to be far more than a speck. David Deutsch. Unlike stars or black holes, life can learn, create, and evolve. Think about it. In just a few thousand years, we've gone from sharpening stones to launching spacecraft. The Voyager 1 probe, sent into space in 1977, is now over 15 billion miles away, carrying a golden record of human voices and music. Voyager 1. That's your species reaching out to the stars. What if, one day, humanity could manipulate matter at the Planck scale, or build structures that span entire galaxies? It sounds like science fiction, but so did flying to the moon 200 years ago. You're part of a species that's unique in its ability to understand these scales, from the quantum world to the cosmic expanse. No other creature we know of can marvel at light that's traveled 13.8 billion years from the cosmic microwave background. This changes everything. You're not just a speck, you're a spark with the potential to light up the cosmos. The universe's vastness isn't a reason to feel small, it's a call to dream bigger. Imagine your descendants shaping stars or even creating new universes. Your role in this grand story is only beginning. So, the next time you look at the stars, don't feel insignificant. Feel connected. You're part of a cosmic tapestry, woven from the smallest scales to the infinite, and your choices could ripple across the tapestry in ways you can't yet imagine. Has this shifted how you see your place in the universe? Drop a comment below with your favorite mind-blowing cosmic fact, or how this made you feel. If this video sparked your curiosity, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who loves big ideas. And don't forget to subscribe for more journeys into the mysteries of existence. Thanks for watching, and let's keep exploring the cosmos together.